If you retired from Ford or you retired from any large corporation, do you need Medicare Parts A and B? And the answer is maybe. You need to get your insurance company rep on the line from your past employer. Most times you will need Part A, and in most cases, Medicare Part A is premium free. You're not going to have to pay for it. Many times you've already signed up for that. It's the Part B that you want to know, do I have to sign up for Part B? Because in 2026, it's costing $206.50 per month for the average person. You could be above average in income and have to pay actually more than that. You could have low income where your state would help you pay for that. But most people will have to pay $206 a month for Part B. So if you don't need it, you definitely don't want it. And especially with Ford Motor Company employees, you could have different plans. So don't listen to advice from anyone on the internet because this changes. My advice for you is to go to your representative, your benefits representative at your company, and dig in and get it in writing, because if they give you wrong advice and you end up getting a late penalty for Medicare, then you want to be able to prove that someone gave you wrong advice in writing so that the government can overturn that. So everybody's retirement looks differently. Every retiree health plan out there from every employer is very different. Check with your employer. If you learned something, please give me a follow. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.